YouTube, man. We back at Rolo's. Just dropped off the Escalade. You said what this is?
For alignment. Tell you how far off your alignment is. Use lasers. Walk across it, look at your leg. Get lasers.
That's crazy. Yeah, guys, we up here at Rolo's. Gonna get the Escalade. Tire change. Got some cars. So I like this nice little BMW. We're gonna go over here real quick, guys. Show y'all some of these whips they got around here. It's actually for sale too. What's this? 340i, something like that. 545. 545. Interior mask. Mint condition too. It's just dirty. I've been sitting up in here all day. You said what? You said what? A what?
I used to have a 725 IL. Same, you know.
Was it like the same size too?
A little bit longer, wider. And the hood opens from the.
Yeah, I like them wheels on here. Cap. What? 2010. You think it's 2010?
Expired in 2010.
Yeah, it expired in 2010. I don't think it's on 2010 though. It's 2010 for sure. Still got my favorite wheels I would put on a Charger here. On the Bronzer. I think these Ferrata wheels. Yep, Ferrata. There go Henry Tundra. That joint nice. Huh? On the Don? Oh, is these the Cullinan wheels? He sell them or something? That's crazy. So guys, if y'all seen that last video, I'm gonna put the link in the description for y'all to go watch that video. We end up taking these wheels off due to y'all go finish watching that video and y'all will know. Big folk cap Bentley wheels. Yeah, man. What? Them? It's like an orange forged carbon. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Look like flames almost. But yeah, guys. Cool, man. Henry, let them know where they can find you at, Henry.
I didn't go up there and get one.
Let them know where they can find you at, Henry. Where can they find Rolo's?
What can you find in Rolo's?
Where can you find Rolo's?
It's your pitch, man.
You mean my address?
Yes.
5835 Star Lane,
5835 Star Lane.
Houston, Texas.
Y'all heard them, guys. Houston, Texas. What's the phone number if they need to call you?
713-780-8083. Thank you.
There y'all go, man. Contact Henry if y'all need any wheels, tires, anything. Look. No warehouse is this big for nothing. No warehouse is this big for nothing. Before we get to this GT, I think this is Corey's GT or old GT. But hey Henry, I got a question. Was this a YouTuber, McLaren? Was he a YouTuber, this McLaren? No, you don't know? Did it used to have like a big SSG on the side of it? Like it had like a SSG vinyl on the door?
No.
No. Where the hell I go? Oh, okay. So it's a rental car. So I got this Bentley, guys. This Bentley cool. Look like it's getting the wheels changed. Hey, look, and they got it on all fours.
Yeah.
All fours. The W12 right there. But hold on, the Escalade is over here. As y'all see, the Escalade over here getting done. But they ain't started on it yet. GT is so hard, bro. I seen it up here before. Henry said they be renting this out. No, a lot of y'all, I seen a GT, but it was satin black with like metallic black wheels. Nasty. This one cool too though. I like this color. This color stands out. That flake in there. I like how I got this like spaceship type of top. You know what I'm saying? It's clean. Dang, boy, I'm a McLaren, y'all. GT actually my dream car. Ever since they came out with this color on this GT, I was like, oh yeah. Can't really see nothing in there, but black interior with the blue stitching. Crazy. Crazy. I guess the road's getting up there for an alignment or something. But yeah, man, that's really all they have here, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever we get an update on the wheel and the Escalade. Actually, while I'm even talking right now, they already taking the tire off. Taking that boy off. I ain't got the rolls up there, getting an alignment, I believe. Gonna get done. Hey, hey, there go that Huracan. That Huracan, the yellow one you missed. Hey, be honest. Do you see me riding in a GT? Like having a GT? Picture me on the block with this mug right here with the bumpity bump. Doors open.
Yeah. Especially the black and windows.
That shit, that color's so nasty. Man.
The windows match the bumper.
Yeah. The accents really. Let's see what they got out here, man. I know they got some cars around this motherfucker somewhere. I know they got them around here somewhere. It's clean. And the Lambo truck. But all right, guys, man, we're gonna get back with y'all whenever they get this truck situated and they get this other car situated. So, man, y'all like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So many people haven't subscribed to the channel yet, man. And you gotta do that. I like that Lexus on them things over there. Oh, uh-oh. You know we gotta record that. Oh, far, no car, baby. Welcome to Houston, where you see a McLaren GT, a Scat Pack, a G-Wagon, and a Lamborghini Urus, all in a span of 15 seconds. Hey, y'all mind if I record? Y'all mind if I record the car? $100. $100? What if I tell you Henry, my guy? Yeah. You ain't on no Henry. Henry. That's crazy.
I think you should get that.
Huh?
I think Henry should get that.
But yeah, guys. I'm gonna shout y'all out too, so cause I do YouTube, so I'm gonna put y'all on YouTube so they can come see y'all. For sure. But yeah, guys, if y'all wanna come up here Auto Title Services. Really, here it go right here. Yes, sir. International Garage, man. Oil change. Yeah, guys, I need anything. Come up here and get it done. Huh?
Really good. Sounds like newer up there.
Yeah, I know.
Kind of making me make my mouth water.
I think I don't even think this is the newer body style. This one. Hey, hold on. You see them up in there?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's for the intake, the air filters. Right
Yo.
there, getting all that cold there.
Getting all that cold air. Lamborghini yours. You see me with a yours? Cap.
I don't see me anymore.
Huh? Look.
See me with a euro.
I love this car, bro. This car is crazy. I like that weirdly, hold on. I like that weirdly odd shaped body style. Like the body style of it is so crazy. It's nasty. You know it's crazy? The first model that they made of these is way cheaper. Somebody coming crazy now.
What is it?
I don't know. These wheels though, these wheels is so nasty.
Look at the inside.
Complements the body style too with the red accents on the back wheel barrel. I like this black shine right here. This is nasty, guys.
This can't be factory built, you think?
What is these wheels? Fuck no. Fuck no.
They look too good for factory.
I think it's a DBX if I'm not mistaken. Shit nasty. I like how the doors still got that Aston Martin door, you know what I'm saying? That door handle to it. I like the red accents on the Aston
I
Martin.
thought it was an SRT 100.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I know this car is the same look.
Yeah, that yellow Huracan he missed.
I bet it.
Johnny nasty. Yellow Huracan on them boys. Stop playing with him. He must be either test driving or he doing something. Nah, this Henry's right here. Henry don't got all that
Where I
extraness.
was sitting that night, but people try to give him money.
Yeah. But yeah, guys. So, man, make sure y'all like this video, man. I've been giving y'all some hot cars, man, in a span of 3 minutes. Y'all done seen 1 million plus in less than 3 minutes.
Gotta be two at least.
Huh?
Gotta be 2 million.
Yeah. Y'all comment down below which one was your favorite car, too. In my opinion, I think the Lamborghini. Nah, he up there.
He's up there. Oh! Yep, y'all trapped him.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on right now. They doing it's crazy, bro. They got this motherfucker up there. Look like he on a showroom floor type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like he on the showroom. Yeah. Gotta have big flow cap. What happened with the Escalade? What happened was I was somewhere, the car running, and somebody tried to hop in that motherfucker and go. But little did he know, and somebody be trying to take something, scared at the same time, making some type of flaw in the action. Short, popped the tire. He thought that mud was gonna keep going and going. It wasn't. And he took off. And I don't know if they caught him. I don't know nothing. Right? So, but yeah, that's what happened. We got the car. We got the car back. You know what I mean? Tire and all that popped, but it's in the process of getting fixed. You know what I mean? Small thing to a giant. Alright guys, man, we back. We finally got it all situated. Ooh, I see you now. I see you. Alright guys, we finally got the tire back on, man. Yes, sir. Looking better than ever, man. All around. All around. All around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big Black, ready to attack, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, ski. Alright, man. So now that we got all this situated, we got that situated, we got that situated, we're gonna just see what we're gonna get into, man. But 9 times out of 10, I might just end up in and off this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, that being said, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If y'all did, give this video a thumbs up. Just like that, we out.